C.H. Robinson Logistics Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get logistics companies wrong. They assume large providers are impersonal or expensive. The surprising truth about C.H. Robinson is that it combines technology, global reach, and personalized support. And you won't believe how efficiently it can manage supply chains. Here's how it works. C.H. Robinson provides freight transportation, supply chain consulting, and managed logistics services. Shippers can track freight in real time, optimize routes, and access analytics for cost and efficiency. The platform supports trucking, rail, ocean, and air shipments. For example, a business shipping goods nationwide can use C.H. Robinson's technology to compare carriers, monitor deliveries, and adjust shipping schedules in real time. Most people get this wrong. They think large logistics companies lack personal support, but C.H. Robinson offers account managers and consulting to optimize operations. Additional features include customs brokerage, temperature-controlled shipping, and risk management tools. Users praise the platform for reliability, responsiveness, and global expertise. However, there are considerations. Services are geared toward businesses, so individuals or small-scale shipping may find it unnecessary. Most people assume logistics solutions are one-size-fits-all. C.H. Robinson tailors services to each client's needs. In conclusion, C.H. Robinson is ideal for businesses seeking a reliable, technologically advanced, and customizable logistics partner to streamline shipping and supply chain management. Subscribe for more honest reviews of logistics providers.